MiddCORE is a very unique program in that it gives you the opportunity to take an idea that you think may be wild or unachievable and equip yourselves with the hard skills to turn that idea into a reality.
I don't think that we're often in situations where we're asked to think creatively in an entrepreneurial way, and so being asked to do that is really new and exciting.
All of the people who are at MiddCORE really want to be there, and everyone's so engaged and so willing to get involved and get stuck into things.
MiddCORE offers a confluence of different majors coming together, different interests coming together, different experiences coming together, and solving problems that demand different aspects of these different skill sets.
I came not really knowing anyone, and I think the community there was one of my favorite things about it.
And I just felt like I made some lasting friendships and connections that hopefully I can use down the road.
Everyone had such diverse backgrounds that you wouldn't have expected right when you first met someone, and how all the little experiences that everyone had came together to make some really great projects and some really great ideas.
Every day's different. You're going to learn something new. You're going to be hit with a new problem and have to overcome it. So it's sort of exciting because it's constantly a challenge, but it's also really rewarding when you finally reach that solution.
One thing that I missed about MiddCORE now is the day-to-day contact with mentors.
Meeting so many mentors who were super willing to help, to put in a good word for you, to introduce you to someone else was a really surprising piece of MiddCORE.
I learned a lot about my values, what it is that I want to do going into the future, and various different sort of pieces of confidence that I didn't even know that were inside of me.
You'll just learn you had skills that you didn't think you had, and learn how to work with people really well, and how to network and how to talk to people, and it's just really valuable to everyone.
This is really tangible skills that you can learn, whether it's presentation skills, whether it's networking, and also it's a great opportunity to learn a lot about yourself and to give you a designated time to be introspective and learn what your strengths and weaknesses are and how you can build upon those.